Hi everyone, Catherine. Today we're going to read How to Code a Roller Coaster. It was written by Josh Funk and published by Viking. Hello world, it's me, Pearl, and this is my trusty robot, Pascal. Today we're at the amusement park. Say hello to the world, Pascal. Hello, world. Fun fact, Pascal was the first programming language written by a man. Who created it? Pascal. There's so much to do here, but the ride I'm most excited about is the Python roller coaster. So they're online to get the tokens. Python is also a programming language. Take a look at this map. So many games and rides, and to make sure I have the best day ever, I'm going to use code. Code is a set of instructions that computers understand. I've got 10 tokens that have to last me the whole day. Pascal and I can keep track of how many tokens I have left by using a variable. This is exciting. In code, a variable is like a box or a container, but instead of holding toys or snacks, it holds information. Every variable has a name, so you know what you're keeping track of, and a value. That's the information the variable holds. Let's name our variable my tokens. I'm starting the day with 10. So here's the information. My tokens is the name of the variable, and it has 10 in it. Thanks for showing me the value of my tokens, Pascal. And don't worry, robots ride for free. Now off to the Python coaster. This is good. I like this. What a nice way to explain code. It looks like there's a long line at the Python coaster. Maybe it will be shorter later. Let's start with the Ferris wheel instead. Here's the Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel, 1 token per loop. So every time we go around, that's 1 token. I love Ferris wheels. I could ride them forever. When we want to repeat an action in code, we use a loop. This time, the action we want to repeat is riding the Ferris wheel. Since we need to pay every time we start a new ride, let's use this loop. Every time we start a trip around the Ferris wheel, subtract 1 token from my tokens. This is very simple and easy to understand, right? So they went around once, so 9 tokens. Now my tokens has 8. Now my tokens has 7. 3 times is enough. Let's swing over to the Python coaster. No, Pascal, we're not riding a swing to the Python coaster. We're just walking over to it. But what if the line is still full of people? Should we try one of the other rides or games on the map? How do we decide? I think I know. I have an idea. We can use another variable. Let's name it short line. Its value can either be true or false. And then we can use an if, then, else to decide what to do next. If short line is true, then we'll ride the Python coaster. Else, we'll do something fun on the map. So, do you get it? If the short line, which is a variable, is true, meaning it's short, then we're going to ride that. Otherwise, if it's false, we're going to do something else. To the map it is, because it was true. Pascal, where's the map? No, Pascal, I didn't mean we'll do something fun on the map. We'll choose something from the map. Let's see. He's playing juggling on the map. Log flume. 1 token per trip. Good thing you're rust-proof. My tokens now have 6 because they won on this, the log flume. Let's check our if-then-else again, Pascal. A short line is still false. That means another right it is, because the line was false, which means it's still too long. So we're doing something else. Short line false, we'll do the train. Short line false, aim for the bullseye. They'll do the debugger. Short line false, we'll do the teacups. And all of these are 1 tokens. So my tokens are 5, my tokens are 4, and my tokens are 3. Error, error. I'm too dizzy for the Python coaster right now. Maybe I need a snack to calm my stomach. Let's get some ice cream. Because they did the train, they did bullseyes, then they did teacups, so she's getting a little stomach. Reshma's homemade ice cream, 1 token per scoop. Wow, there are so many flavors, I don't know which to choose. They all look delicious. Oh, my ice cream flavor can be a variable. And this time we get to choose the value. Cool. So here's all these different ones. Ray of Sunshine, Blueberry, Cherry Plus Plus, Chocolate, Macintosh Apple, Moose Tracking, Mint, Mocha, Raspberry, Red Ruby Red, 7-layer, Vanilla. And these are and you get 1 token per scoop. And then you have to go over to toppings. Whew. So they're doing code inside of codes. I'd like my ice cream flavor to be 7-layer explosion, please. What flavor do you want, Pascal? And his flavor is chocolate. Here are 2 tokens. Thank Rejma. I also love some mini chips on top. No, Pascal, mini chocolate chips, not microchips. He is a computer. Look, Pascal, there's no limit at the Python coaster. Short line is true. So oh no, what's happening? 2 tokens. Oh boy. Python roller coaster, 2 tokens per ride. And what do I have? I only have 1 token. 2 tokens? I've only got 1. This is a disaster. If I'd only ridden the Ferris wheel once, or hadn't played the debugger, or skipped those awful teacups, then I'd have enough tokens left. Oh dear, what are we gonna do? Wait a second, what's this? Figure out the secret password hidden in the stars around the park and win 1 free token. 1 more token is just what we need. All we have to do is go to these red stars and find the hidden letters. Hey, secret password is a variable too. Now all we have to do is figure out the values. I think I know where to look. Let's do this. So they're going all around looking for, oh, here they go. Here's 1. Here's 1. Here's 1. Here's 1. And there they go. So they have to figure out what the secret letters mean. They have EDOC. And a period, it looks like. Let's see. DOENC. That's not a word yet. I think we've got to put these letters into the correct sequence to figure out the secret password. Pascal. It's just like how code needs to be in the proper sequence to work correctly. Wait a microsecond. That's it. The secret password is code. So my tokens now has 2, and once again, code has saved the day. Now that we know the secret password, let's go ride the Python coaster. Return, semicolon, double strokes, the end. And they get to ride it. Now, was this great? And the back of those books gives you the tips for the coding. But we just learned a bunch of the tips. I got a refresher. And I thought this was fabulous. Maybe someday we could do our own programs and put this to use. Have a great day. You can reread this book and do some coding on your own.